Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make every marshmallow in CRK full guide. Start by launching the game and navigating to crafting to review available recipes and required ingredients. Gather sugar, gelatin, flavorings, and any special event drops before attempting complex recipes. Check inventory space and energy so you can craft multiple batches without interruption. This approach saves time and prevents wasted resources while you work toward every marshmallow variant. In this video, I will show how to make every marshmallow in CRK full guide. Begin with simple recipes like classic vanilla and chocolate to learn timing and texture control during whipping and setting. Use measured proportions and cool temperatures to avoid collapse or graininess, and test small batches when adding purees. Note how each flavor alters setting time and sweetness, so you can adjust sugar or gel strength for consistent results across all marshmallow types. In this video, I will show how to make every marshmallow in CRK full guide. Once you master basics, move to advanced techniques like layering, torching, and coating for higher rarity marshmallows. Control temperature and humidity to prevent weeping or stickiness, and use stabilizers for longer shelf life when shipping or gifting. Small test batches help dial in textures and flavors before mass crafting, ensuring each special marshmallow meets your quality standards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.